Hi friends, Gmail is the most popular email platform. If you are a Gmail user and want to arrange your inbox, segregate different kind of emails under different folders, auto forward certain type of emails to other email accounts, automatically delete unsolicited emails in bulk, Gmail has a versatile feature, filters, to perform these actions without any hassle. In this video, let's learn how to create filters for different actions, options available in filters, etc. in detail. I have not created any labels or filters in my Gmail. My emails are unsorted and unarranged. Because of this, it takes a hell of a time to search any particular email in my inbox. Before we start, I just want to warn you that if you are a new user of filters, please watch this complete video thoroughly before you start applying filters. Before understanding the complete process of creating and applying filters, if you use filters, maybe by mistake, you might end up with creating more mess of your emails or might delete important emails. In my opinion, first you should try filters on some dummy email account and be well versed with filters and then apply them in your actual email account. These emails are from wordpress.com and I want to shift all my existing WordPress emails in a separate folder and also want all future incoming mails to be shifted automatically to this new folder. For this, let's create a filter. We can click the above three dots and from there we can go to filter messages like this option. We can also create filters without opening an email. We can select the email and click the three dots at the top and then click filter messages like this. You can see that the sender's email address is filled automatically. Now let's click create filter. There are many options available here. To create an appropriate label for these emails, let's tick apply the label box and now click on new label. Here let's key in the label name. Instead of creating new label, we can also select an existing label. Now let's click on create. WordPress.com label is created. Before we hit create filter to complete the process, let's click the last option, also apply filter to matching conversations, so that the filter automatically applies to all existing emails as well. If we don't tick this box, only the future emails will be filtered as per the filter conditions and the existing emails will remain unfiltered and unaffected. So please don't forget to enable this option if you want to apply the filter to existing emails as well. Now let's click on create filter. We can observe that all WordPress emails are shifted to wordpress.com folder, but still these emails have inbox tag. Because of these emails are also visible in inbox. Since we have shifted these emails to wordpress.com folder, there is no point in keeping these emails in inbox also. In order to do this, we can edit the filter by revisiting filters using this gear symbol. Click on settings and then click on filters and blocked addresses. All the filters will be available here. Here we have an edit option using which we can edit the filter. Here let's tick skip the inbox option. Again remember to tick also apply filter to matching conversations option. Now click on update filter and the filter will be updated as well as applied to existing mails. Inbox tags have been removed from all the WordPress emails. If you wish to remove a filter, you can delete them from here. These three dots to the right of the label gives you an option to remove the label. Once this label is deleted, these emails will be visible under the respective folder if they have any other tag, or if they don't have any other tag, they will be visible in all mail folder. I want to segregate all emails related to my YouTube channel in different subfolders under the main folder, my channel. For this, let's click create new label and create my channel label. For every YouTube comment, I receive an email. I want to segregate these emails related to comments and label them comments. But it cannot be done only by using the email ID criteria, Since other than comment emails, many other emails also come from same ID, no reply at youtube.com. To solve this problem, in the subject criteria, we can provide the common specific words which come in subject of comment mails. These group of words have to be entered within inverted commas and each group should be separated by capital or. Remember that or has to be in capital letters, otherwise only the first group of words will be filtered. By applying or condition in the subject, it is obvious that any email which comes from no reply at youtube.com and has the words new comment on or new reply on or replied to you in the subject will get filtered. Let's take this box to skip the inbox. There are other filter options like to convert these emails to red, star mark these emails and automatically forward them to a specific email ID, etc. Let's create a new sublabel comments under my channel label. For this, let's tick next label under and select my channel label and click on create. Don't forget to tick this last option. The moment we create this filter, more than 1000 emails have been shifted from inbox to comments folder. There might be more emails related to YouTube comments. To shift them as well, we can search for some common words in the subject of these emails and also include them in the filter and update so that we can have a single filter for all the emails related to YouTube comments. Now let's make a filter for the review emails coming from YouTube. In the search bar, there is a down arrow. Using this also, we can create filters. But here, we have to fill up the fields manually. Whereas when we create filters by selecting an email, common field is filled up automatically. Again, let's create this reviews label as a sublabel under my channel. Even after unsubscribing emails from unwanted source, we keep on receiving unsolicited emails from them. To solve this issue at our end, we can create a filter so that all incoming mails from that email ID will be deleted automatically. For this, we have to tick this delete it option. If you also want to delete all the old mails received from this ID, then tick this last option. Following the same procedure, we can create filters for different IDs and keywords. But be careful before creating and applying filters and make sure that you don't delete any important email. In case if you delete any email by mistake, you can access them from trash or bin folder. We can create a common filter for emails coming from different email IDs. For this, let's select emails coming from different IDs and create a filter. Since we have selected emails from 3 different mail IDs, here in the from criteria, all the 3 email IDs are selected with a capital OR between them. So emails coming from any of these IDs will be filtered and shifted to the specified folder. You can create any number of filters as needed. While creating filters, there are different choices. We can specify words in the subject, words to include in the email body, words to exclude in the email body, filter only those mails which have attachments, whether you want to include chats or not, etc. All created filters are available here and can be edited or deleted from here. For easy identification, we can assign different colors to different labels. These are useful especially when the emails have inbox tag as well. By looking at the color, we can easily identify emails in the inbox. Using filters, we can arrange our emails in different folders and delete unnecessary emails without putting any effort. If you have any query or doubts related to filters, please feel free to write them in the comment box. I will try my best to answer your queries. Let's conclude this video here. If you found this video useful, please hit the thumbs up icon. Please also share this video in your social circle. It will encourage us to upload more videos. If you have not yet subscribed our channel, please do subscribe our channel aonehelp. Please also click on bell icon to get notifications of our forthcoming videos. For any query or suggestion, please leave a message in the comment box. Let's meet again in next video. Thanks for watching till end. Bye.